Hi guys, I'm Shobit from Smart Advisor, and today we are going to have a look on the GoPro accessories. Which accessories you can buy with your GoPro to have your more adventurous trip. I have ordered a 12-in-1 pack from Amazon. It costed me for around 1200 rupees, and we'll see the use of each and every accessory. Let's get started. As you all guys know, I have a GoPro Hero 2018 version, and to attach each and every accessory we need an inbuilt mount. This is an inbuilt cover we got in the box. We need to insert the camera inside this cover. This camera will every accessory would be attached to this cover only. You need to plug it like this. So first of all, I have a silicone strap to protect the camera if from accident falls and all. You simply have to insert this from the bottom. So you can see guys, I have inserted the silicone cover on this device, and going forward I'll keep this cover on this intact, and we'll see how we attach other things with this GoPro. First of all, let me pick this selfie stick. It is the most widely used stick. To mount this, we need this small J mount. You simply have to put this mount over here, and you also get the screw inside the pack. You have to screw it. So I have connected it properly. You can adjust accordingly. This can be have a small rotation, and you can like screw it tightly. And this is a stick. This will be inserted in this. It is of a very good quality. You simply can expand it as much as you want. Let me switch on the camera for you. So you can see, you can hold this stick like this, and you can record your videos. So this was the stick, and let me show you other things. So next we'll pick this is for the Dashcam. It's very good in quality. The accessories are very good in quality. I had a doubt whether so you just simply have to keep on your dashboard like this, and you have to create a vacuum. It won't go anywhere. You can see how much force I am applying. It won't go anywhere. With this mount only, you just have to put it. I need to put your camera like this. So we have put our GoPro over here, and this can be tightly screwed from the bottom. We have made the position, and we have created the vacuum. You can simply keep the GoPro on your dashboard, and you can record the videos. So this was the use of this accessory. Another, we have a cycle mount for a bicycle and for a bike. You can simply screw it on your bicycle handle by opening this simple screw, and you can put it on your bicycle handle. I don't have the bicycle right now, so I cannot show you. And you can put your camera on this mount, and you can record your adventurous trip on your bicycle or bike. So this is how this is going to look like. So this mount can be used with these 3 accessories: a bicycle, one for the dashboard, and for the selfie stick. We now need to change this. Now need to remove this. We simply have to unscrew it and we can remove it. Another accessory we have is for the bag. It is quite heavy and it's very tight. You can mount your camera over here and you can screw it. Guys, you can put it in any of the direction which you like, depending it's on your right sleeve or left sleeve. You can put a screw over here. So we have tightly screwed this bag mount, and you can simply put it on your bag sleeve like this or like this, in any of the way you want, and it will record the videos for you. So let's get to another accessory. So another accessory we have is a yellow floating cam. We can put our camera on it and we can strap this on our wrist so that it doesn't fall in a deep water. If it accidentally slips from your hand, you can put your camera like this, and you can also put this you need to put this strap inside this mount, and you can screw it. See, I have screwed this camera on this mount. You can simply hold this mount like this. If this accidentally falls from your hand, you also have this strap which you can put on your hand like this. Simply have to put it, and you have to tighten it, and this is the lock which will not loosen up. So this is the way you need to use this accessory. It will float in the water and will keep your camera in the safe and deep rivers and lakes. So the next accessory we have is a helmet mount. You can put your camera on this mount like this, and you can put this mount on the camera. You can see that we have some pasting. This is a kind of vacuum pasting which would be done on the helmet. It's quite nice. The strap is very nicely built and it's the elastic strap. So the next mount we have is chest mount. You can this is a kind of belt. You can wear it, and we have we can unplug it and we can put this back. So to use this chest strap, we need to use the J mount, which we get 2 of these in our pack in the 12-in-1 accessory. You simply have to put your camera over here, and you have to screw it. You can see I have screwed this GoPro. It should be screwed in this direction, and this can be adjusted, and this is a lock. This is how this J mount will help you to put this GoPro on your chest strap. That needs to be put on your chest with this lock. So the last but not the least, I'll show you the last accessory. The last accessory we have is a wrist strap. We can plug our camera on this strap. Let me screw it for you. So I have screwed the camera on this wrist mount. We need to put this camera like this, and we need to strap it, and this is how we can record the videos on 1080p and 440p. Actually, I was not able to tighten this band because I have only one band. So this is all for the accessories. We get the J strap or this small mount extra in this pack in case you lose it one or one of them is broken accidentally. We also get a small accessory bag. If you're going on an adventurous trip, you can keep all your accessories in this bag. So that's it for the 12-in-1 unboxing and the use of all the accessories of the GoPro. Thank you guys.